No, you have to let it sit for, I think it was 140 something seconds, I think it is.
In the interest of the shoot, I think we might have to not wait the 140 seconds, but...
Well, in the interest of me being Irish, we have to wait. That's a very English outlook on things. Let the guy settle. Hi, I'm Niall Horan, and this is Snack Wars, UK versus Ireland for LADbible. We're doing Ireland today, because guess what? Spoiler alert, I'm Irish. Oh, I hate cucumber. So that's already lost. Do I have to eat it? Yeah, I do, don't I? Cucumber, coriander, avocado, probably my 3 least favourite things in the world. All right, here we go. I know I'm gonna hate this. Oh. I hate cucumber. The texture of it. Oh, that's just horrific. I feel like the bread and the butter make it 100 times better. Like cucumber on its own is not great. That's horrific. Now what have we got here? Chicken fillet roll. So basically chicken fillet roll in Ireland is like, yeah, it's a thing that we're absolutely obsessed with. I get one all the time when I go home. Breaded chicken generally, and then fillings of your choice. You can have plain chicken or spicy chicken. I go for the spicy, have like lettuce, cheese, bit of sweet chili, corn sometimes, and they're in our petrol stations. So on this one, we've got a bit of lettuce, we've got a bit of mayo, chicken, cheese. Here we go.
Good?
Bread's tough. Yeah, you can't beat that. It's just beautiful. It's so simple, but so effective.
How does it compare to the Irish petrol station versions?
You weren't close, but you know, it was a good attempt. I appreciate the attempt. Yeah, the chicken fillet roll wins every time, and I also hate cucumber, so I never had a chance. Poor cucumber. Hey! Okay, we've got Scotland's #1, Tennent's. I don't think I've ever had Tennent's, but Capaldi's always on about it. He said it's lovely. We'll try this one first, because we know who's winning this. I am a lager fan. Oh, can I have the glass?
Absolutely, you can, yeah.
Or was that...
No,
like,
no,
yeah,
please do. We have many of them.
45-degree angle. And just as we get to the logo here, I'll start to shape up.
Oh, wow.
I know my way around. Right, okay. Wow, that's a colour, isn't it? It's nice and cold. Not terrible. I'd say if you had 5 or 6 of them, you'd know about it. It's definitely gone flat, like straight away, which is not good. Right, next one, Guinness. The real deal. This is a NitroSurge as well. Guinness came up with the idea to make sure that when you pour out of a can, you get as close to what you would get in the pub as possible. And you do a 2-part pour, like you're meant to. You just get it and do the same again. 45 degrees. Now you have to let it sit for, I think it was 140 something seconds, I think it is.
In the interest of the shoot, I think we might have to not wait the 140 seconds.
Well, in the interest of me being Irish, we have to wait. That's a very English outlook on things. Let the guy settle. That's a healthy looking pint of Guinness. And then you just hold it straight, and I actually think you have to tip it backwards, like this. And just let the little dome come over the top. Oh, I've overspilled it.
Still looks beautiful.
It looks, I've made a mess there.
We have.
I apologise to people all over Ireland for that. And then you just kind of let it settle there, just watch as it does its absolute magic. It's just a thing of beauty, isn't it? It's just,
stunning.
There's not many drinks that you sit there and go, geez, that's beautiful. Guinness in Ireland is on a different level. I actually thought it was a myth before I moved, and then drank Guinness everywhere else and realised that it's not great worldwide. Just, you need to take care of it. It's not 100% ready, but for the purpose of the shoot, for her, we'll drink it. Right, here we go. Good one. Big win there for the Irish.
I think that was the best pour we've had on Snack Wars.
Yeah,
by a mile.
I have the shakes. I had a few of them yesterday. Oh, that was well done.
Nice.
That was like dynamo. She got a great sleight of hand. All right, here we go. All right, love hearts and clove drops. To be honest with you, not even sure which one's Irish and which one's British.
Clove drops are Irish.
Yeah, I know that, I'm joking.
Oh.
This is the most Irish thing of all time.
Do you like them?
This is very like, your granny is eating them. Yeah.
There's a thing.
I do love hearts as well, to be fair. Let's see if we get any good ones today. Yeah, still a pain in the arse to get out. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the tenants is repeating on me. All right. What's this say on it? Epic. Okay.
Good?
Yeah. They're still decent. Still chalky. The next one's got an emoji. They're doing them with the emojis now. It's not just words of affirmation. You're taking the nostalgia out of it. Yeah. Moving into the 21st century. Leave them where they were. They're good. Right. Here we go. Clove drops. Imagine like a bottle of Benylin or something like that. A mucus reliever in a sweet. That's what they smell like. Oh my God. Yeah, they're very clovey. These are not great at all. Honestly, what were we doing? Like a horrible fisherman's friend.
Yeah.
And that's saying something. The UK have to win this one, I'm afraid. The love hearts are a staple. And the clove drops are a staple that we could do with getting rid of.
Yeah.
Oh! Let's have a look. Fish and chips, so I assume this is peas.
Mushy peas.
I hate mushy peas. I hate peas.
Oh.
They're one of very few veg that actually taste like the ground. If I'm getting fish and chips, I'm getting beans. Oh, so this is just chips. Jack the Chipper. Looks decent though. I'll eat the peas with you. I don't like that doesn't even look like peas. But let's not dig out Jack the Chipper, he's trying his best. I think chips cover both the UK and Ireland, to be honest, but they're good chips, them.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is chips your favourite like form of potato?
Yeah. Let's get into it. We like them roasted, we like them mashed. As I said, we do live up to the stereotype. I like Guinness and I like potatoes. That was good. Didn't really taste the mushy peas, the chips were that good. They're decent chips, but by the way. This is probably, what's it, like cabbage and mash, what's it called? There's a Kilcullen or what?
Colcannon?
Kilcannon. Kilcannon mash. I think it is cabbage and mashed potato. Yeah, my granny used to do this. Yeah, when we were younger. Yeah, that's very good actually, to be fair.
What would your granny serve that with?
Any of the meats, gravy, sometimes a pie. I'm going in again.
Oh, wow, please do.
Oh God, they're both really good. It's a tough call. Just on nostalgia alone, I would lean towards cabbage and mash, Kilcannon or whatever we're calling it. If there was a bit of fish in there now, I'd have to have a rethink, but you messed up. Final round. Ding, ding. Oh, Buckfast versus Bailey's. Okay, Buckfast tonic wine.
You're a fan of Buckfast?
Yeah, I remember. And there's always a good memory with a bottle of Buckfast. I remember being at the Brits and I was presenting Lewis an award. And I remember like sitting at the table next to him and he had like 3 or 4 of his mates from Glasgow down and they were just going around, walking around with individual bottles of Buckfast, handing it out to everyone. At the Brit Awards, where it's like fine dining and like red and white wine and in buckets on the table. And there's the lads from Glasgow are down and they've got bottles of Bucky. Actually, you want to drink a Bucky? So yeah, I am familiar with the Buckfast. Oh, Christ! It's tonicky. All right, yeah, you can have a glass or 2 of it, but after that, now that's, yeah. It's Bailey's, my mother's favorite. She loves it. Yeah, it's grand. I love Bailey's. I do. This is kind of your digestive, depending on where in Europe you're from. Yeah, so right, Bucky's beforehand. Don't know if I'll be having like a bottle of Buckfast before my dinner. And then lovely Bailey's, which is lovely Irish cream liqueur. Yeah, that's lovely, that. I'm gonna have to go with Bailey's. Yeah, I'm sweating now. There was a lot of drinking and eating shit there.
Island one.
Hi, I'm Niall Horan, and this is Snack Wars UK versus Ireland for LADbible. For fucking LADbible.
Hi, I'm Louis Tomlinson, and you're watching Snack Wars UK versus US on LADbible. Oh, f***ing hell. Whiskey. Is this gin?
Yeah.
Ooh, f***ing hell, gin's nasty. So let's start with the,
Would you like some ice?
start with the gin. Do people have ice with gin?
I think so.
Yeah.
Go on then.